Hi, this is Al from Coda, and this is a walkthrough of this value chain template from Product School. Once you land on this template, you can copy this to your Coda workspace by simply clicking on Use this value chain template right here, and we'll copy it so that this doc will save all the changes that you make to the template. Instructions are here on how to use this template. Essentially what we're going to do is take this value chain diagram and allow you to add data to it and make it actionable. So the first step is to go to the Write Sub-Activities page. And in here, you'll see the primary and support activities. And within each of these types, you'll also have the specific activity itself. Now the dummy data here is all from Starbucks. You can click clear data here if you want to just clear this dummy data for now. But let's say you want to add something specific to the operations activity type. You can click on add primary. And I can say Starbucks has a lot of machines. The activity type is operations. It's a primary activity, and you can ignore connections for now, and then close out of this, and you'll see that this has been added to the operations. So you can go on and click add primary, add support, and you can add individual items here in the sub-activity for the value chain. And the goal, of course, is to see all the different activities that your company does, both primary and support, that allow you to drive value for your customers and your users. Now, the most important part of this value chain is identifying the links between all the different sub-activities. So for instance, let's say for Starbucks uses proprietary roasting and packaging processes to increasing selling value. What other sub-activity is this related to? And it could be from any of these other activity types. So let's say it's related to, just making this up, Starbucks owns other brands such as Tivana. And once that happens, let's look at where this shows up in this table. Starbucks owns other brands such as Tivana. And it should be in this orange one right here. And you can link connections here, but you can also see other places where this specific subactivity is linked to. So that's why you see Starbucks uses proprietary roasting, etc., which is right here. And so this gives you a way to see all the connections and links between your different sub-activities so that you can start to see where you can drive efficiencies within the value chain and, again, drive value for your customers and users. And that's where you can go on the optimize, the final step. So you can see all your sub-activities and write ways to enhance this specific sub-activity, or we just focus on the ones where you mark that there's connections. So we have these 4 sub-activities that have these 6 linked connections. You can talk about ways to enhance the sub-activity while looking at the connections that you've identified in the previous step. And this view just allows you to look at the data in a different kind of catalog view, so you can see more of the data on your doc. And that's the value chain template from Product School.